Most people don't realize this, but on TikTok, when you visit someone's profile, they can actually see that you viewed it. In this video, we'll show you how to stop others from knowing that you've viewed their TikTok profile. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. First, open your TikTok app. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three-line menu in the top right corner. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Privacy and scroll down until you find the Profile Views or Viewers option. Once you're there, you can simply turn this feature off. Keep in mind this setting applies to profile views from the past 30 days and post views from the past 7 days. Now we're turning it off, and that's it. From now on, you won't be able to see who viewed your profile, but others also won't be able to see when you view theirs.